Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Omegle after ban. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To use Omegle after ban in your region, you have to use a VPN. I recommend you to use a NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most reliable and secure VPNs available today. It has a large network of thousands of servers in over 100 countries, which means you can easily find a fast and stable connection for unblocking Omegle. One of the key reasons NordVPN works so well for Omegle is its ability to bypass restrictions and avoid detection. Many platforms, including Omegle, block IP addresses associated with VPNs. However, NordVPN's advanced obfuscated servers are designed to mask your VPN usage, allowing you to access Omegle without any issues. NordVPN also provides excellent speed, which is crucial for video and text chats on Omegle. It uses NordLinks, a proprietary protocol that ensures fast and secure connections. You won't have to worry about lag or interruptions while using the service. Omegle bans or restrictions can occur for several reasons. Some countries block the platform entirely due to censorship laws, while others impose regional restrictions. Even if Omegle isn't banned in your area, your IP address might be blocked for violating terms of service. NordVPN solves these issues by masking your IP address and replacing it with one from a server in a country where Omegle is accessible. This gives you a new virtual location and restores access to the platform. Using NordVPN to unblock Omegle is straightforward. First, sign up for NordVPN and choose a plan that suits your needs. Remember, longer plans offer bigger discounts. After signing up, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN supports all major platforms including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and more. Once installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. Next, connect to a server in a region where Omegle is not restricted. NordVPN's user-friendly interface makes it easy to select a server. You can also use the Quick Connect feature to automatically connect to the best available server. Once connected, open your browser and visit Omegle. If you still experience any issues, try switching to a different server. NordVPN's large server network ensures you'll always find one that works. Aside from unblocking Omegle, NordVPN offers several other benefits. It encrypts your internet connection, ensuring your data remains private and secure. This is especially important when using platforms like Omegle, which may expose your IP address to strangers. Another useful feature is the ability to secure up to 10 devices with a single account. Whether you want to use NordVPN on your phone, tablet, or computer, you're covered, so you can finally start using Omegle after it was banned. So that's basically how you can use Omegle after ban. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.